Welcome, dear friends. In this video, you're going to learn what is trading, who are traders, and how you can make money in trading, and is trading suitable for you. Lesson plan as I described you earlier. Trading, it is when you earn money on different price difference. When price fluctuate, you buy cheaper, sell higher. Also, the way on exchange, the opportunity on exchange, when you can make money while price dropping. About that, we have a separate lesson, and I highly recommend you to watch. There would be a link here. It calls short selling. Just read and watch lesson about that when you finish this one. Now, nowadays, every person have access to different platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Robinhood, interactive brokers, where you can trade different assets. And how do we make money on trading? It's really simple. You buy cheaper and sell higher, or there's also a way how you can make money while price dropping. First example, imagine you bought one Bitcoin at this price. Current price of Bitcoin, that price was 33,470, and Bitcoin after that rose by 43%, and you decide to sell your Bitcoin. That means 30. It's really simple. 33,470 you multiply by 1.43, and additionally it is 40 at 47,000 you sell your Bitcoin, and after that you subtract the amount of money that you invested, and here's your profit, the difference between price of buy and price of sell. That's how traders make money. And especially for all of you, my friends, I propose you to join our course for those that start path in trading. It is 5 lessons that you need to start and build your career in trading. First lesson about how to choose best exchanges, step-by-step trading view guide for chart building, what source of news really affects the price and how to use it in decision making, how to avoid mistakes that 90% of people do, and lesson number 5, it is a simple trading strategies that you can implement right now to make money. There will be a link in the description. Just join. That means my friends, those of you for who trading the most suitable. After my long experience, more than 7 years experience, quite a lot of people follow me and listen my advice on trading. More than 71,000 people follow me, and trading the best for people that can build a long-term plan, like trading, you need to invest time and money to build a skill. It's like in boxing. You cannot become a champion of a state, at least, without practice, without preparation, without education. That means you need all of this. And that's the reason why I recommend you to start from this course. It will help you. Thanks for watching. If you think this lesson useful for you, subscribe, turn on the bell, because you'll find so many lessons in the future. Also, I highly recommend you to watch our free lesson about my favorite trading strategy, trendline breakout, that will help you make money on crypto. Thank you for watching. See you.